Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a GFX profile picture on Roblox. So firstly, we'll go to the search panel and type Roblox player. Then click on open. Now from the Roblox player, we have to go to the avatar section. Now click on your avatar icon. Then click on your avatar again on the right side. After that, you have to go to your Windows search panel. From there, type snipping tool. Now click on new and take a picture of your avatar. Now save it as anything in your desktop preferably. Now exit it. Here's the screenshot we have just taken. Now we need to head up and open up our browser. Search panel, type photopea.com. Then click on Photopea. Now click on open from a computer. Now we have to select the image and click open. Now our image has been loaded, so let's zoom into the image. Now we have to select the eraser tool. Change its size to something like 10 pixel, and now start carefully removing the background around our character. In order to make it transparent, we'll be doing this. So slowly start removing the background around your character. You have to be patient while doing it, so do not rush. And to remove the other backgrounds, just make the brush size bigger and just select all and drag it. It will easily remove all other backgrounds, but the area around your avatar is sensitive, so you have to do it in the lowest possible pixel that you can do. So let's continue. So after you're done with it, you have to go to the layer settings and click on stroke to change its value. Preferably 2 pixels will be great. And after that, you have to change the inner glow value. Size can be whatever you prefer, how much glow you need. And the opacity should be around 10. After you're done, click OK. Go to Files, select Export as an PNG. Name it and click on Save. Now the image is saved. Now in our browser, let's open a new tab and type Canva. Click on Canva. Now click on Create a Design. Then Import File. Now go to PFP, the image you just created. Select Custom Canvas. Make its size 1000 by 1000. Create a new design. Now the photo has been uploaded. You can use any image as background which matches your profile picture. So I'll choose this background image. You can also use a transparent ray effect, which you can download from Google by typing the color you want. So I'll just say yellow, then ray, background. Now you can choose any of the background from here. Left click, then right click, and save image as. Now go back to your design. So make the ray image a little bit bigger, something that can cover the whole picture. Then go to position and layer, select the background. Now make the transparency to a little bit lower so the rest of the images are visible. Now enlarge in your actual profile picture to fit the screen. Make the background visible. So I'll just make the transparency a little bit lower. And the background is quite visible. Make the image a little bit bigger. Now we're done. Now we'll click on share, then click on download. Select PNG and download. Now your new GFX profile picture will start downloading. And after it is downloaded, you can use it on anywhere you want. That's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.